Hinder, verb, meaning, to make it difficult for someone to do something or for something to happen. Synonyms, obstruct, impede, hamper. Antonyms, facilitate, aid, assist. Example sentence, outdated traditions hinder progress. Heavy cross, idiom, meaning, a burden or difficult responsibility that causes suffering or hardship. Synonyms, burden, hardship, ordeal. Antonyms, relief, comfort, blessing. Example sentence, harmful traditions are a heavy cross for society to bear. Patriarchal, adjective, meaning, relating to a system controlled by men giving them power over women. Synonyms, male-dominated, paternalistic, authoritative. Antonyms, egalitarian, feminist, matriarchal. Example sentence, she grew up in a deeply patriarchal society. Assent, noun, verb, meaning, official agreement or approval. Synonyms, approval, consent, agreement. Antonyms, dissent, refusal, disapproval. Example sentence, the president gave his assent to the bill. Safeguard, verb, noun, meaning, to protect something from harm or damage. Synonyms, protect, shield, preserve. Antonyms, endanger, harm, jeopardize. Example sentence, the law aims to safeguard girls' rights. Desperately, adverb, meaning, in a way that shows great need or urgency. Synonyms, urgently, pressingly, frantically. Antonyms, calmly, leisurely, casually. Example sentence, this law is desperately needed. Regressive, adjective, meaning, becoming less advanced or returning to a former state. Synonyms, backward, reactionary, conservative. Antonyms, progressive, modern, forward-thinking. Example sentence, regressive customs promote early marriage. Spell out, phrasal verb, meaning, to explain something clearly and in detail. Synonyms, clarify, explain, elaborate. Antonyms, confuse, obscure, muddle. Example sentence, the campaign spells out the harm of early marriage. Empowerment, noun, meaning, the process of becoming stronger and more confident. Synonyms, liberation, enablement, strengthening. Antonyms, oppression, subjugation, weakness. Example sentence, we must work for the empowerment of girls. Vulnerability, noun, meaning, the state of being exposed to harm. Synonyms, exposure, weakness, susceptibility. Antonyms, security, strength, immunity. Example sentence, child brides face extreme vulnerability. Lethargy, noun, meaning, a lack of energy or enthusiasm. Synonyms, sluggishness, inactivity, laziness. Antonyms, alertness, energy, enthusiasm. Example sentence, the system suffers from institutional lethargy. Hostage, noun, figurative, meaning, under control of someone against one's will. Synonyms, captive, prisoner, pawn. Antonyms, free, independent, liberated. Example sentence, don't let liberties be held hostage by extremists. Nuptials, noun, plural, meaning, wedding or marriage ceremony. Synonyms, matrimony, union, wedding. Antonyms, divorce, separation. Breakup. Example sentence, the bill addresses the issue of underage nuptials. Drive change, phrasal verb, meaning, to cause or promote transformation. Synonyms, initiate reform, encourage progress, inspire action. Antonyms, resist change, maintain status quo, hinder development. Example sentence, the UNICEF campaign aims to drive change in attitudes toward child marriage. Resistance, noun, meaning, opposition to something. Synonyms, opposition, defiance, objection. Antonyms, support, acceptance, compliance. Example sentence, the bill faced resistance from the Council of Islamic Ideology. Conflict, noun, meaning, a serious disagreement or argument. Synonyms, dispute, clash, contradiction. Antonyms, agreement, harmony, peace. Example sentence, the CIA argued that the bill was in conflict with religious laws. Convention, noun, meaning, an agreement or treaty between countries. Synonyms: treaty, pact, protocol. Antonyms: violation, breach, disagreement. Example sentence: Pakistan is a signatory to the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Applause, noun, meaning public expression of approval or praise. Synonyms: praise, commendation, appreciation. Antonyms: criticism, disapproval, condemnation. Example sentence: The president's action received nationwide applause. Implementation, noun, meaning the process of putting something into effect. Synonyms: execution, enforcement, application. Antonyms: neglect, delay, suspension. Example sentence: The success of the law depends on its implementation. Commitment, noun, meaning a promise or dedication to a cause. Synonyms: dedication, devotion, obligation. Antonyms: indifference, negligence, apathy. Example sentence: Political commitment is essential for protecting girls' rights. Compliance, noun, meaning the act of obeying a rule or request. Synonyms: obedience, conformity, submission. Antonyms: disobedience, defiance, rebellion. Example sentence: Compliance with the new law is essential for change. Distress, noun, meaning extreme anxiety, sorrow, or pain. Synonyms: suffering, agony, misery. Antonyms: comfort, relief, joy. Example sentence: Poverty and distress often lead to early marriages. Regret, noun, verb, meaning a feeling of sadness or disappointment over something. Synonyms: remorse, sorrow, repentance. Antonyms: satisfaction, contentment, joy. Example sentence: Many child brides live with lifelong regret.